First of all, I want to congratulate you if you are seeing this video. You just took the first step into breaking out of poverty, like myself and other content creators you see using content creation. Now, the second thing you are going to do for yourself is to make sure you watch this video till the end. Of course, the video is less than 5 minutes. It is not up to the amount of time you've wasted scrolling on social media blindly. So just sacrifice these few minutes to your success as a content creator. A word is enough for the wise. I give you 3 months from now, you will either become a popular content creator or you've started making millions from brands as a content creator, just like me. We know they play for here. So rush now, get a popcorn, sit down and listen to me, because today, as a certified social media strategist, I'm going to be telling you 3 things that took me from 0 to 100k followers in 3 months, plus several brand deals I have attracted. Now, the reason most aspiring content creators and the so-called content creators are not doing well is not because they don't have the talent. It is because they don't have the right skill and the right system to get results. And that is why they keep making videos upon videos upon videos that will never get results. No views, no engagements, no followers, no growth at all. But today it is going to end. How do I intend to end this? I have gathered everything I know as a social media strategist and the experience I've gathered working as a social media manager for several brands within and outside the country in one pack called the Content Creation Pack. Now, this pack contains number 1, lifetime access to CapCut Pro for Android devices. Now, a lot of you don't even know that it's already a taboo to post video with watermark on TikTok and some other platforms, because you are advertising another platform on their platform without paying them. That video no go actually perform well most times. Number 2, we are going to be granting you access to our smartphone video editing course. This one and the yoga pata of them all. Without a good editing, you cannot tell a story with your video. You cannot create engaging video no matter how informative your content is. Now, with this video editing course, you are going to learn how to do all those trendy effects, disappearing effects, turn into bread, and so on. In short, after this, you are going to become a professional video editor, because we are going to be teaching you how to get local and international clients to edit their video. What else do you need? You could make money as a content creator too. Lastly, we are going to grant you access to our ultimate content creation guide. This is my field. Now, this is where I have broken down everything you need to know as a content creator, either as a business or as a content creator. It teaches you how to create the right content, how to get content ideas, engaging hooks, how to make viral content, how to stay consistent, and how to rank your video above other videos that looks like your own. Tell me why you know good do well. So you can see that the content creation pack is the savior you would have now, because what you they do, who even teach you? I beg, wait to how you see this video and the editing should be engaging abi. Oh yeah, make we continue. Now, who is this course for? This course is for beginners who want to go into content creation and want to succeed without going through all the trial and errors that most successful content creators went to, like me. Before I actually got to where I am, I already spent a lot of time trying different things blindly before I got trained and understood the actual way to actually succeed as a content creator. I mean, this takes a lot of time, and that is the reason everybody should get a mentor, because a mentor is someone who has passed through the road you want to pass, and he knows where there are thorns, so he will guide you so you don't step on those thorns. So it's for you if you are a beginner, you want to succeed fast as a content creator. Number 2, someone who is already a content creator but is not seeing any progress, no viral posts, no engagements, nothing seem working, because you don't even know what you're doing and you are burning out, you don't tire, you actually want to give up. Chairman, relax, we got you. Content creation pack is the answer you've been waiting for. You are going to learn how to make viral posts, you are going to learn how to edit engaging content, and every other necessary thing, including monetization. Now, number 3, someone who wants to learn how to monetize their social media accounts even with the smallest amount of followings. You know, a lot of people think that monetization is only when that platform monetizes you. No, you can monetize yourself. I started getting paid on TikTok when I had less than 1,000 followers. So we are definitely going to teach you how to monetize your account with the smallest amount of followers. Number 4 is someone who is looking for a skill or a side hustle. Now, this is guaranteed with video editing. All of us know that video editing is a very high in demand digital skill now. Like, everybody wants to come on social media, everybody needs video content and the rest of them. And in my agency, to edit a 30 to 50 seconds video, we charge a minimum of 70,000 naira. A minimum of 70,000 naira. Some brand pay us like 300,000 naira monthly to edit like 2 videos every week for them. You can see that's a whole lot of money. If in a month you get just 2 or 3 of such clients, you should be counting in millions per month from video editing. So it's not just to edit your own video, but you're going to be making money from it editing for people. So that is a very amazing skill for side hustle. It is also in the pack. Please permit me to ask again, what else do you want me to do for you? Now, the last person that needs this course is someone who wants to build a business with content creation. Now, most of these content creators you see are full-time content creators. It is their business that built multi-million naira business around content creation, and you can do that. So if that is your dream, then this course is a starting point for you, because with this course you're going to have a stepping stone into building a brand as a content creator. Now, this also touches business owners. If you're a business owner, you want to build your brand on social media through content creation, then this is for you, because in this course you're also going to learn how to actually generate customers, sell your products on social media. Now, this is the offer I'm making you. If you're able to get this course, I promise you that from now till the next 3 months, if you are serious, you are definitely going to become a profitable content creator or video editor. Both of them, all I know is that you're definitely going to start making it through content creation, because I'm going to be holding you by the hand and walking you through the process. Always bear in mind that you are dealing with a certified social media strategist. Like, I've grown several accounts, and my current account from 0 to over 100k followers in less than 5 months. So I know this thing so well. Now, the only challenge you are going to have is if you are not serious. So how do I intend to achieve this? Content creation pack. Let me repeat again. With this content creation pack, I'm going to be granting you access to CapCut Pro for Android, lifetime access only for Android users. Number 2, I'm going to be granting you access to our video editing course for smartphone, which is going to help you start creating and editing engaging videos. I'm also going to be granting you access to our ultimate content creation guide, which is going to teach you everything you need to know about content creation: hook, algorithm, hashtag, and the rest of them. Now, with these 3 things in the pack, you are good to go. But trust me, that is not the only thing you need. You also need a community. I'm going to grant you access to my private community, where you can be asking questions anytime you face any challenges on content creation, and I will be there to answer you immediately. That is where I will also be dropping different and working updates on content creation. So it doesn't look like I'm talking too much without evidences. This person got the content creation pack. Look at his testimony. This person got the content creation pack just 3 weeks ago. This person got the content creation pack 3 months ago. Look at his testimony. This person gave testimonial just 2 weeks after using the content creation pack, and many more. Be like, say I don't try you. Man, I think I've done almost everything for you. I know what is going through your mind is, how do we get started? Now, to get started and start counting your time right now, this course is worth 50,000 naira, but for today we are going to be giving it to just 50 people at the sum of 8,000 naira. So your time starts now. Count it from now to the next 3 months and see where you don't reach. Now, this is how you get access to the content creation pack right now, depending on where you are seeing this video. If you are watching this video on our website, just scroll to the bottom. You are going to see the buy button. Click on the buy button. You'll be able to pay that 8,000 naira and get access to it. Or you scroll to the bottom. You are going to see account details there. Pay 8,000 naira into the account details. Send us evidence on WhatsApp. You are going to get access immediately. If you are seeing this video on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Come to the comment section, comment CCP, then go to the description bar. You are going to see the link to get access immediately. Click on the link and you'll be able to pay and get access immediately. Remember, this 8,000 naira offer is just for 50 people. And once we get to 50, the price goes back to its original price. Your time starts now. A word is enough for the wise.